Delhi is gasping for air. The AQI in the National Capital Region has touched to the severe plus category, resulting in schools and universities being closed and classes being held online. The Delhi AQI level currently is 500 in several regions, leaving the National Capital Region engulfed in dense layer of smog for the 7 consecutive days. In response to the worsening situation, Delhi University announced online classes till November 23, while the Jawaharlal Nehru University followed this until November 22. Additionally, the Delhi government has labelled the situation a medical emergency and urged institutions to take preventive measures. On November 18, the Supreme Court reprimanded the Delhi government and the Commission for Air Quality Management for delaying the implementation of Stage 3 of the Graded Response Action Plan. The court demanded immediate enforcement of Stage 4 restriction, ensuring these remain until air quality improves significantly. The bench of Justices Abhay S. Oka and Augustine George Mahashi emphasizes that action should have been taken as soon as the AQI level crossed 401. The court criticizes the reliance on meteorological predictions instead of proactive measures, deeming such delays unacceptable given the public health risk. The court also highlighted systematic issues such as violation of firecracker ban during Diwali and widespread stubble burning. The justices suggested extending the firecracker ban and insisted on enforcing citizen right to a pollution-free environment under the Article 21 of the Constitution. The Union Health Secretary has issued an advisory urging the state to strengthen healthcare system and raise awareness among vulnerable groups. Recommendations include expanding hospital network to monitor air pollution-related illness and implementing district-level action plans. Stage 4 GREP restrictions are now being enforced across Delhi NCR. These include a halt on construction activities, restriction on industries, and stringent monitoring of vehicle emission. The Supreme Court made it clear that these curbs will continue until further notice. Delhi pollution crisis is a wake-up call for a stronger policies and immediate action. What do you think can be done to tackle this annual emergency? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest update on this critical issue. Together, we can demand change for a cleaner, healthier future.